Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So VeChain has followed the microstructure, not only that, but also the larger time frame. Obviously, the larger time frame is giving us context, right? Larger time frame is giving us context here that we are still in a larger third wave. We could get another 4-5 pattern before a larger top forms. Yes, surely it could extend into something more bullish possibly, right? But let's first see if we can get all these 5 waves to the upside completed. The price found a little bit of resistance down here at 4.3 cents at the 38.2 retracement, but the price was not expected to stop there. Rather, as we are going higher, possibly in the area around, I'd say 6.17 cents, we could see next resistance. We've now also reached a March high, which I cited in the last video as next resistance. That's the March price high at around 5.5 cents. Need to get above that. Then 6.17 cents. At some point, we should get a 4-5 pattern to complete this move. If we go high enough, especially to 13.2 cents, then we can call it potentially the third wave in a more bullish scenario, in the white scenario. But as I tried to explain to everybody in the last few weeks, the yellow and the white scenarios are pretty much moving together for now, right? I tried to explain to people how the expected altcoin rally that I had on so many charts is possible if I expect a major market top Bitcoin in Q1. Well, you have the example left, right, and center now. And I tried to explain to everybody these altcoin rallies, they can finish in a few weeks. Yeah, you gotta be ready. You have to be ready, and then you just participate, and you want to be out before it all collapses and becomes a trap. Very important, right? Anybody entering too late, and hopefully nobody's doing that, it's always leaving you exposed, getting bad entries in there. So yeah, but that's pretty much what we see now. And I get it's difficult to understand. For many people, it's the first bull market, but you just need to look at the past data. So VeChain is here no example. It's rallying. Further upside is expected. Especially, I want to see the 5 waves up completed. Up here will be an important resistance area, but let's first see if we can get there between 13.2 and 14.7 cents. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame for VeChain. The idea is that we're still in circle wave 3, as I just showed you. This gives you here an idea of the microstructure. But even anybody who's entering late, you always get these micro setups across the sector, right? So VeChain had an internal wave 4, and we're now rallying in this wave 5. So I don't like the chop. I don't like the choppy structure at all. So it's low confidence that we extend higher, but it can do. I've added support levels to the chart for the different wave degrees. So that one did lead to a successful reaction. The next pullback could be this wave 4, with potentially even one more high in wave 5 of C of 3. And then we will have resistance most likely at around 6.2 cents. And at some point, circle wave 4 should start, which now has support between 2.9 cents and then 3.7 cents. So you might ask, why do I show both support areas? Because it's not entirely clear which of the waves which wave degree we're in because of the choppy microstructure, and then we want to be prepared for a more bearish scenario short term. And also circle wave 3 is extended enough so that circle wave 4 could start at any point. That should give you all the resistance levels, all the support levels, but also it's important to pay attention to the trend channel. While it's been tested a few times now, the lower boundary line, we're still following the price channel. But VeChain is in the lower half of that price channel, indicating some short-term weakness, getting a bit exhausted there. So the internal fourth could start soon, as I said, with support between 3.9 cents and 4.7 cents. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.